Hi there, this is Adam Jones. Today I'm at Hudson Capel with their in-house software division. We're going to be exploring one of their products called TechInspect. So come with us and let's learn a little bit more about TechInspect.
TechInspect is one of the most popular products within a suite of in-house designed software programs here at Hudson Capel. TechInspect is used around the world, but we also use it in-house to defleet all of our vehicles that we process. TechInspect automates workflow processes, saving time, money, and management, which creates value for our global customers. It allows clients with large fleets to manage them both remotely and independently, with consistent oversight for management control. TechInspect software works through any mobile device, prompting staff to conduct a long list of actions, ensuring the team inspect the whole vehicle without missing anything out. The software then provides all the data to the inspectors to ensure all processes have been completed correctly. The information is then stored and communicated to the next team member, explaining what actions are needed, such as repair, refurbishment, or whatever the customer has asked for.
Hi, my name is Saunders. I'm a senior vehicle inspector here for Hudson Capel. I use TechInspect on a daily basis and it covers a wide range of actions. I like TechInspect because it helps myself and my team stay consistent and follow each step of the process.
Hudson Capel's TechInspect is licensed by a wide range of automotive customers and is available around the world for fleet owners, big and small. If you'd like to see a demonstration of TechInspect, then please email us at admin@hkr.co.uk or call the number on the screen now.
So hopefully that video has made it a little bit more clear exactly what TechInspect is and also a little bit more about the in-house software division here at Hudson Capel. Now, if you're interested in any of the things discussed in this video, please get in contact with the Hudson Capel team. They'd be more than happy to help introduce you to TechInspect or indeed any of our other in-house created products. We'll speak to you very, very soon.